Greetings! Today I am installing the Autobeam Performance LED brake light upgrade kit for the Focus RS. So the bulb that we are replacing is this one right in here. So of course we need to remove the light housing, and that is done from inside the boot. To get the light housing off then we need to remove two plastic screw things. So one of them is behind this little door. So we just reach up in here and they are very tight from factory. If you've never taken these off before, you're probably going to need to use some pliers. I've had mine off before, so I just tightened them with my hand so I can get them off by hand. So you can see they just have these little like wings made for your hand, but of course, like I say from factory, it's mega tight, but that's what they look like. Then the other one is exposed and it's like up here. So same thing, just unscrew. Do it bit by bit so that you don't drop it, because dropping it would be bad. And once it's loose, it comes off. Okay, next we just sort of give this a bit of a jiggle, and there's like a metal clip that should be released. That's it. You can see that that is the metal clip right there, and it's just in a hole there, so we just need to sort of jiggle it until it comes off. Then we disconnect the electrical harness, just push this and pull. That's it off. Right then, to remove the actual bulb, it's this one right here. So we just grip, anti-clockwise twist, gently remove, hand on the bulb, push it in, anti-clockwise again, and it comes right out. So here's a little side by side. You can see that the Autobeam just looks awesome. It's this red anodized aluminium look. It just looks really cool. Connection is obviously the same. So yeah, the installation is going to be very simple, just the exact reverse of taking this out. So we just line up our little tabby things, push down and then clockwise to lock into place. Then we relocate into the hole, just twist this until it drops, then clockwise to lock. Alright, so now we reconnect our electrical harness. Click. We line up our little metal tab things. Give it a little push. That clicks into place, and then we can put our little plastic screws back in. Put our door back on. So now that that's in, I'm just going to test it. So that worked nicely, so now I'm just going to continue and do the exact same process on the other side. It's a good idea to keep your hand on the housing whenever you're taking your second screw off, just in case it would fall off. It shouldn't with those clips, but you never know. So again, this one, the one with the yellow wire, that wire can get a little tight, so I would just hold it just whilst you're doing this. You don't want to yank it and damage it. Anti-clockwise, comes off. Just one wee quick thing to note, you see that these are on two different levels. Those line up, this one's slightly higher, this one's slightly lower, so you do need to like line them up right in order for it to be correct. You will feel like tension, you see that bounciness. If you have them the wrong way around, that'll just drop straight in, it'll feel really loosey-goosey, so just make sure that those are the right way around. In it goes. Because this is kind of longer than your normal bulb, dude, I would just definitely hold this so you're not going to yank it too far. Just take it to its approximate limit and then just gently in, because we do need to take this sort of a little bit more that way to get this to drop. If it would just drop, there we go, clockwise in. Okay, so that's the other one in, and now you just need to test. Well, there we go, that is installation complete. Installation was very quick and very easy. What I will do is I will put a little side-by-side comparison. I'll do a daylight one, even though it's maybe not quite so relevant, and then a nighttime one. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more content to come very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.